Boruto manga chapter 56 has stirred up the shipping wars once again because a lot of Borusara fans are apparently very angry because Sumire has kind of confessed her feelings in this particular chapter, and a lot of people are confused as to where exactly the ships are going to lead towards in the future of the series. So hello and welcome to Under YZ, my name is Soham and today we are going to talk about the shipping wars of Boruto and what do I expect to see in the future of the series and why I am not personally very much interested in a romantic relationship, rather I want to see a good platonic relationship. But before all of that, if you're new here then please consider subscribing to our channel since I do weekly anime and manga related content along with Boruto manga reviews. We are trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date with all my latest content. With that being said, let's begin the video. So Boruto manga chapter 56 has kind of confirmed the fact that Sumire actually loves Boruto. She tells Kawaki to keep it a secret and not to tell it to Boruto. Moreover, from the expressions of Katasuke, it is pretty evident that a lot of the adults also know for a fact that Sumire actually likes Boruto. I don't know if Naruto has any idea about this or not, but either way, that's not the most important thing to talk about here. Rather, I just want to say that I don't really care about the shipping in Boruto. I'm not a very huge fan of shipping wars in the very first place, and I'm not really interested in a romantic relationship as such. Moreover, in my prior video, a lot of people were mentioning that maybe the series is going to lead towards a future love triangle between Boruto, Sumire and Sarada. But I digress and I reject this particular notion. I really do not want to see a half-baked love triangle, and Kishimoto really has a good chance here to redeem himself because of the relationship status of Naruto in the very first place. Because if you remember in the original Naruto series, the relationships were an absolute mess. Hinata was not at all developed as such. Sure, there were some moments here and there, but for the most part, she was just like a stalker, and Naruto just kept fawning over Sakura for no apparent reasons. And towards the very end, towards the last movie, it was only there that the relationship was finally finalized, and it was not bad as such, the movie was not bad as such, but the scenario in the entire series was not that well developed. Now here in the Boruto era instead, I really want Kishimoto to do something better and I want him to develop a good platonic relationship. I mean sure, down the line Boruto might have a romantic interest, that's not really my point here. I'm absolutely okay if Boruto ends up with Sarada or Sumire, I don't really care that much. But for the other one, the one who is not selected here, I do not want them to be a secondary character or just a third wheel for the relationship. Rather, I want them to be developed into a good platonic relationship. Platonic relationships between two different gendered characters are not really that prevalent in anime. I'm not saying that it's not there, but it's not really that prevalent in the series. But in this series, I really want them to develop a good platonic relationship, especially with the character of Sarada. Now here, let me make it very clear that I'm not supporting any particular shipping as such. I really don't mind if the series ends up with Borusumi or Borusara. I am not really that interested here, but I'm just saying for the sake of the argument that if at all Borusumi is actually the case, I want Boruto to have a good platonic relationship with Sarada where both the characters care for each other and are there for each other for their motivational support, because the story is about to get very dark in the future of the series, and hence I really want to see a good platonic relationship that will develop with these characters. And it's true for vice versa as well. I'm alright if the same thing happens with Sumire as well. So basically my point of making this video is that I really do not want to see a half-baked love triangle in the future of the series. Rather, one particular shipping is fine. Whichever shipping Kishimoto wants to introduce, that's fine by me. But for the other character who is not a part of the ship, I really want her to have a good platonic relationship. That's my point of making this particular video. I really do not want to see a bad love triangle once again. But at the end of the day, these are simply my thoughts and opinions. What do you guys think about all of this? Please mention your thoughts in the comment section below. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more. Moreover, please do join the channel membership for some very cool perks and features. With that being said, this is Under YZ and I'll see you soon in the next video.